learning outcomes are the who are the managers and who are the non-managers. The managers are the persons who are responsible for the work of other people and who oversee the work of other people as well. And the non-managers are the persons who just are responsible for their own work. So this is the difference between the managers and the non-managers. You have to keep in mind that managers are the persons who are responsible for the work of other people as well. So you have to keep in mind that the organization is the place for group is a place where the group of people work together to achieve an organizational or to achieve a certain goal or objective. Objectives, we will have to define the management first, and then we will explain what is the efficiency and what is the effectiveness, what are the why it is important to study the efficiency and effectiveness for the management. And we will describe its 4 functions of the management, Mintzberg managerial roles, Kurtz 3 essential managerial skills, and all these things. So let's begin with the introduction to the manager who coordinates and oversees the work of other people so that organizational goals can be accomplished. Organizational goals can be profit oriented and non-profit oriented, but you have to keep in mind the organization is a place that is involved in the economic activity, or their motive, the most important motive, is the profit earning. So each organization's functions and each organization is involved in the organizational functions. Profit oriented organizational functions. So there are the first line managers who are responsible, who manage the work of non managerial employees, the first line managers. Then there is the middle level managers who are individuals who manage the work of first line managers. And then there is a top level management, the individuals who are responsible for making organization wide decisions and establishing plans and goals that affect the entire organization. This is the hierarchy: the top management, middle management, first line management, and non-managerial employees. First of all, students, you will have organization do. Organization is the composition or the we cannot say that the structure or building is an organization, but the people working in it gives meaning to the organization. So from the point of view of organization, if we will see, then each organization, the motive of each organization is to is the profit earning, and for the sake of profit they will have to make such strategies that can be that can not only be fruitful for them, but also are helpful for but also they are helpful for generating an economic activity. So the organizations are describe the and effectiveness for the organizational functions. What is the efficiency and what is the effectiveness? First of all, if you will complete your task in few minutes, the task was of 10 minutes and you complete that task in 4 minutes, and then you have used the minimum resource. Just like you were given 10 minutes to complete that task, but you completed that task in 4 minutes. That is the efficiency. That is about efficiency, and it is about doing things right. And what is the effectiveness? Effectiveness is about doing the right things. What is the effectiveness? Just like if you it is possible that you have completed your task in 4 minutes while the 10 minutes were given to you, but but the quality of work that you have produced is not up to mark, then that is the concern for effectiveness. If you are given a task to complete that in 10 minutes, and you have completed that task in 10 minutes, and and you have to keep in mind the quality objectives that the organization have to meet, then that is the effectiveness. So you have to keep in mind the difference between the efficiency and effectiveness. If efficiency is concerned about low resource uses, just like in this example, we have considered low resource less time for the efficiency, and complete time for the effectiveness, and we have completed the task with the quality output. So when the quality is concerned and all other aspects are concerned other than the less utilization of resources, that is the effectiveness. And what is the efficiency? Efficiency is about low resource uses. Just like you need to have different resources to produce a product. Just like material, raw material is there. If you will use if you are able, your organization is, or your manager is able to access that resources, that you can minimize their cost for the organization, overall cost of the organization, then the efficiency will be there, because the cost is minimized and low resource usage and less money is used by the manager or the organization. So there will be efficiency. And if the organization has kept in mind that have quality controls in all aspects, then that is the effectiveness. This concept you have to keep in mind, because this is the basic concept, and this is the grounded concept on which the whole building of the management, you can say, will be kept in mind, will be built on these two concepts, efficiency and effectiveness. These are the most basic concepts. Base, you will it will provide you the base. Doing things right is about efficiency, and doing the right things is about effectiveness. These are the two lines which make confusion for most of the students. So doing things right means that from all aspects, if there just like in the first example, if the person who has completed his task in 4 minutes, and he has shown his efficiency, his most of the purpose of that person is to bring the to bring quality, maximum quality at this time. Just like that is he is focused on the product, he is doing thing right, he is focusing on to make things better. That may be not good. Okay. And the second person doing the right things, it means whatever the resources are there, you will have to utilize your all of the resources, and you will have to utilize your whole resources, and but you are not going to compromise on quality. You in all aspects, doing the things right means you always have to do right things in all aspects, from the quality point of view, from the efficient from the time point of view. You are going to use your maximum resources and getting the maximum output. Okay. इसको मैं उर्दू में आपको इस तरह से समझा देती हूँ कि डूइंग थिंग्स राइट, कि आपने चीज़ों को ठीक करना है, मैक्सिमम आपका जो गोल होगा वो चीज़ों को ठीक करना होगा, कि मैक्सिमम कहाँ तक आपको एफिशिएंसी मिल सकती है, आप इसके अंदर कितनी क्वालिटी को चीज़ों को आप ठीक कर रहे हो। लेकिन इफ़ेक्टिवनेस का मतलब है कि आपको हमेशा काम ठीक ही करना है, doing the right things, बस right things ही acceptable है. That is there are some benchmarks of the organization, and the organization has given you some task or benchmark that if this task is not going to complete, or this benchmark is not going to attain, your product is not going to be approved. So it is about efficiency and effectiveness. In the next slide, efficiency means low resource, low waste, and that is also concerned with it. Just like the organization involved in making different things, or they use their proper resources, but they don't they focus on their low waste usage. They don't waste their products. Just like if the organization is assigned 1,000 items to produce in 1 minute, 1,000 items in 1 month, then all of them, maximum 900 items are of maximum A pairs, just like A of A category, and they are not going less B and less C category items are being produced. That is also the less wastage is there, and the organization is efficient. While effectiveness means attaining the organizational goals at each point. And what do you think the organization will be needing the most? That is about efficiency and effectiveness. These are the both functions that each organization need, that is about efficiency and its effectiveness. What do managers do? The first it about defining goals, that organizations, what is the organization's goal, and what ultimately your organization wants to produce. And it will define the planning stage of the organization. And just like if the organization wants to produce 1,000 quality items, and less compromise on quality, then that is more concerned with the effectiveness. Just like they are concerned with the quality output, not only the 1,000 items. And then organizing is there, then arranging for the different items, and structure, and then giving the resources to the persons to make or produce some items or things. Then there is the always leading, there is always a person behind each policy making of the organization that is leading. Then controlling, you will have to keep in mind, it is about benchmark. Benchmark means a standard. A standard an organization sets to accomplish its organizational goal. Just like if there is a bottle, and and the organization members or labor is advised to produce a specific standard related to the bottle. Then how many items are meets the standard given by the organization or policy, and this is the controlling. So each manager's role, each manager's function is the basically of controlling, that they have to ensure that there will be maximum quality output for the organization.